What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to send bold text in WhatsApp. So to do that, let's head over to the WhatsApp application first. Once you're there, I'm heading over to our chat. And here I'm writing a message like, suppose this is the one I want to make bold. So I'll keep tapped on it and select all of them and or the part I want to make bold. And then you will find these three dots in the top right. And over there, now there are sort of options like bold, italic, strike through, one space. So I'm gonna use the bold one. So yeah, as you can see, the text is bold. But if you want to make that text look, you want to undo it, or you want to select a specific part, then select a specific part, tap on the three dots, tap on bold, and the card is now bold. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.